Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete Google search history. So recently I saw some search about some people saying they don't know how to actually delete their Google search history. So I'm going to do a very quick one on that. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first thing first, you have to open up your Google browser, right, like this, and you can look above your screen. You can see your profile right there. So you have to click on your profile and you can see search history clearly. Click on that and wait for it to load up. It may just take a few seconds to load up. So it's loaded already. So you just have to